बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे दिसंबर 10, 2023 के अखबार में। सोई सदर्न गैस कंपनी की जॉब है सीनियर मैनेजमेंट / लीडरशिप पोजीशंस। SSGC, one of Pakistan's most reputable public sector entity, specializes in the transmission and distribution of natural gas। ये मैं यहाँ से बता देती हूँ सीरियल नंबर। to strengthen SSGC's transformation journey, the company is looking for competent and dynamic professionals for the following position। serial number 1 position, Senior General Manager Human Resource and Management Services। Qualification and experience, MBA degree preferably with majors in HR with at least 17 years of relevant experience, including 7 years in leadership role, strong experience of developing policies including D&I, HSE, workplace harassment and succession planning, etc. Job summary, the position provides overall strategic and operational direction, human resources, administrative and medical services। इसका जी आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें। ये है जॉब समरी। willingness to spend a minimum of 25% time within the SSGC franchise area। सीरियल नंबर 2 पोजीशन है सीनियर जनरल मैनेजर, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है प्रोक्योरमेंट एंड इन्वेंटरी मैनेजमेंट। क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस, engineering or management graduate, bracket 16 years of education, bracket close with 17 years of post qualification experience including 5 years experience in senior management / leadership role, experience of working in oil and gas / public sector shall be preferred। The candidate should have experience in assist based oil and gas procurement, management of inventory, turnaround and experience in digitalization of processes। पोजीशन नंबर 2 जो कि है सीनियर जनरल मैनेजर प्रोक्योरमेंट एंड इन्वेंटरी मैनेजमेंट का, कि ये है जॉब समरी। द पोजीशन, इसका आप ले लीजिएगा स्क्रीनशॉट। द पोजीशन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल प्रोक्योरमेंट एंड इन्वेंटरी मैनेजमेंट। और ये ख़त्म है गाइडेंस एंड सर्विस ऑन लीडिंग प्रोक्योरमेंट प्रैक्टिसेस। अच्छा, पोजीशन नंबर 3 है जनरल मैनेजर, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मीटर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट। और क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस, इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट प्रेफरेबली इन मैकेनिकल और इंडस्ट्रियल विद एट लीस्ट 14 ईयर्स ऑफ रेलेवेंट एक्सपीरियंस। ये है जॉब समरी टू लीड द मीटर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट। और ख़त्म है प्रॉफिट जनरेशन यूनिट फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। 4th पोजीशन है जनरल मैनेजर, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है काउंटर गैस थेफ्ट ऑपरेशंस। क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस, प्रेफरेबली सीनियर एक्स आर्म्ड फोर्स ऑफिसर, कैंडिडेट मस्ट possess बैचलर्स डिग्री। और ये है जी जॉब समरी। द पोजीशन लीड्स द काउंटर गैस थेफ्ट ऑपरेशन, CGTO डिपार्टमेंट टू अंडरटेक रिक्वायर्ड मेजर्स टू काउंटर गैस थेफ्ट एंड इंश्योर विजिलेंस। ठीक है, और ये एंड है एंड अंडरटेकिंग रिक्वायर्ड लीगल एक्शंस। नोट, द मैक्सिमम एज लिमिट फॉर above positions is 57 years। The position will initially be a 3 years contract, renewable based on company's requirement and individual's performance। For internal candidates, continuity of service shall be given as per company's policy। Detailed job description of the position is available on our website www.ssgc.com.pk/careers। Shortlisting and selection shall be on merit based only। The above position carries market competitive compensation package। SSGC is an equal opportunity employer and women are encouraged to apply। Interested candidates are encouraged to apply through our website www.ssgc.com.pk/careers within 15 days of the publication of advertisement। सोई सदर्न गैस कंपनी लिमिटेड की एक और भी जॉब्स हैं। एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, Sui Southern Gas Company Limited, a leading public sector utility company in Pakistan, is looking to fill the following specialized positions with qualified, experienced, and dynamic professional who can add value to the organization's progress. Serial number 1 है position, minimum qualification and experience. Number 1, Deputy Chief Manager Procurement, job code 823303. Procurement process, अच्छा qualification and experience, MBA with at least 6 years of working experience of government / semi-government / reputable corporate organizations in handling the procurement locally and internationally, as well as handling the projects within the ambit of PPRA rules / government policies / SROs. Number 2, Manager Procurement, job code 8234-03. MBA with at least 4 years working experience in government / semi-government organization procurement process with knowledge of PPRA rules and government policies / SROs. Serial number corrosion control पोजीशंस में सीरियल नंबर 1 है असिस्ट इंटीग्रिटी सीनियर इंजीनियर, जॉब कोड है 8235-2 BA/BE in MET allergy/electrical/chemical/mechanical candidates shall have minimum 4 years experience of cathodic protection, designing supervision of cathodic protection system, coating inspections, assist integrity inspections, proficient in computer applications including Microsoft Excel, Word, Project, Outlook and Oracle, well balanced interpersonal skills and strong verbal and written communication skills. Bracket candidates with certification of TWI/NACE ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ AMPP ब्रैकेट क्लोज /API would be preferred. दूसरी पोजीशन है असिस्ट इंटीग्रिटी इंजीनियर, ब्रैकेट जॉब कोड 8236-202. BA/BE in metallurgy/electrical/chemical/mechanical candidates shall have minimum 2 years experience of supervision of cathodic protection system, coating inspections, assist integrity inspections. Bracket candidates with previous experience of oil and gas sector would be preferred. Human resource positions. Number 1, Deputy Chief Manager IR, job code 823701. MBA with at least 6 years of relevant experience or MPA with at least 8 years relevant experience. Specialization in human resources shall be given preference. Number 2, Deputy Chief Manager Inquiry and Discipline, job code 8238-201. MBA with at least 6 years of relevant experience or MPA with at least 8 years relevant experience. Specialization in human resources shall be given preference. Number 3, Deputy Manager Inquiry and Discipline, job code 8240-201. MBA with at least 2 years of relevant experience or MPA with at least 5 years relevant experience. Specialization in human resources shall be given preference. Information technology positions. Number 1, Chief Manager Oracle ERP, job code 8245-201. Masters in Commerce, Economics and Finance with minimum 14 years of experience of Oracle Financial, ARAP, GLFA and Oracle projects and Oracle e-business suites are 12 ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ all modules. Number 2, Oracle CC&B Senior Functional Consultant, job code 8246-201. Minimum 10 years of experience in functional role and project management including Oracle CC&B version 2 multiply by working experience with bachelor degree in computer science, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 4 years और masters in computer science. Number 3, Oracle CC&B Functional Consultant, job code 824701. Minimum 7 years of experience including Oracle minimum 7 years of of experience including Oracle CC&B version 2.x multiply by and project management with bachelor's in computer science slash engineering or equivalent from HEC recognized university. Number 4, IT security manager, job code 824801 BE computer slash electronics bracket 4-year HEC recognized degree bracket close with minimum 5 years of IT and information security experience. Candidates with certification in IT security will be preferred. Number 5, Oracle application functional administrator, job code 8249201 ACCA and MBA ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फाइनेंस विद एटलीस्ट 6 years of experience of Oracle Financial ब्रैकेट AR AP GL FA ब्रैकेट क्लोज एंड Oracle projects. Interested candidates are encouraged to visit our website https://www.ssgc.com.pk/careers/for details/job description and to apply online within 15 days of the publication of advertisement. Publication date है 10th December 2023. For internal candidates, continuity of service shall be given as per company's policy. Shortlisting and selection shall be on merit based only. The above positions carry market competitive compensation package. SSGCL is an equal opportunity employer and women are encouraged to apply. जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.